Hey guys, so I have sanded these and cut these to the same size, and I'm going for something like this. So the leg's gonna be, I don't know, something like that. I'm kind of liking it. So what I do is just get a scrap piece that's parallel, scrap wood. Then I line that line up. You see it? I'm just lining that up with the blade. And then once I like it, looks pretty good to me. Then what I'm gonna do is put some scrap wood I'll just put some scrap wood, tack that in with my Ryobi, and that's gonna be my jig to hold this. Then I'll run it through the table saw. I'll let you know how it goes.